Let us revise the murmurs by using a trick. The trick to remember murmurs is TPAM, that is the tricuspid pulmonary aortic and mitral valve. In systolic murmurs, we have to write two S in the middle and R on the opposite side, that is the tricuspid regurgitation, pulmonary stenosis, aortic stenosis, and mitral regurgitation. In diastolic, we have to do the opposite thing, that is the S on the opposite sides and R in the middle, that is the tricuspid stenosis, pulmonary regurgitation, aortic regurgitation, and mitral stenosis. Thanks for watching, and if you found useful, write a got it comment in comment section.